Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that your smartphone can do way more than just scroll through social media or take selfies? With the right apps and tools, you can turn it into a portable science lab. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just a curious mind, today I'm going to show you how to unlock the scientist in you using just your phone. Let's get started. Your smartphone is packed with sensors and capabilities that make it perfect for science experiments. From measuring light and sound to analyzing data and even viewing microscopic organisms, your phone can do it all. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Measure the world around you. Your phone's built-in sensors can be turned into powerful measurement tools. Here's how. Physics Toolbox Suite. This app turns your phone into a multi-sensor tool for measuring acceleration, sound, light, and more. Decibel X. Use it to measure sound levels in your environment. Smart Measure. Measure distances and heights using your camera. These tools are perfect for physics experiments or just satisfying your curiosity. Step 2. Analyze data like a pro. Science is all about data, and your phone can help you collect and analyze it. Try these apps. Google Sheets. Use it to organize and graph your data. Phyphox. This app lets you perform experiments using your phone's sensors and analyze the results in real time. Desmos. A graphing calculator app for visualizing complex equations. Step 3. Explore the microscopic world. Believe it or not, you can turn your phone into a microscope. Here's how. Clip-on microscope lenses. These affordable lenses attach to your phone's camera and let you see tiny details. Microscope Cam app. Use it to capture and analyze microscopic images. You can use these tools to study plant cells, insects, or even your own hair. Step 4. Conduct chemistry experiments. Your phone can help you with chemistry too. Try these apps. Chemist Virtual Lab. Simulate chemical reactions and experiments in a virtual lab. Periodic table apps. Apps like Periodic Table or Elements give you detailed info about every element. Color Grab. Use your camera to analyze colors, which can be useful for pH tests or chemical reactions. Step 5. Study the night sky. Turn your phone into an astronomy tool with these apps. Skyview. Use your camera to identify stars, planets, and constellations. Star Walk 2. Explore the night sky with detailed info about celestial objects. NASA app. Get the latest space news and images from NASA. Step 6. Document and share your findings. Science is all about sharing knowledge. Use your phone to take photos and videos of your experiments. Create presentations using apps like Canva or Google Slides. Share your discoveries on social media or with friends and family. Here are some bonus tips to make the most of your portable science lab. Use a tripod or stand to keep your phone steady during experiments. Explore online communities like Reddit or YouTube for experiment ideas. Combine multiple apps for more advanced projects. Have fun and stay curious. Science is all about exploration. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to turning your smartphone into a portable science lab. With these tools, you can explore the world, conduct experiments, and learn something new every day. If you try any of these ideas, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more creative tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.